Hello and welcome to Benchmark Boutique. Today we're going to be assembling the sea turtle cut file. You should already have the pieces cut out, and I recommend saving the cutting excess from the shell to help you lay out the pieces. It just makes things a little bit easier. I'm going to be using hot glue today. You can use whatever adhesive that you prefer. So I'm going to start with the base layer, and the next step is going to be for me to glue on the top layer and let some of the marker show through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over, and I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the surface and get it glued down relatively quickly so we can get down to business. All right, next I'm going to glue on the shell. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to kind of set up my pieces, get them where I want. If you like putting puzzles together, this might be the project for you. I'm just going to kind of use this as a rough guide. Oops. So drop all the pieces. And then once I'm happy with the arrangement, I will start to glue it down. And I'm just looking at this as I lay it out, helping myself figure out which direction to lay the little pieces of the scutes. All right. So that looks pretty good. Now I think I am ready to start gluing. So what I'm going to do, because I'm happy with the placement, I'm just going to lift and glue and lift and glue, and then just kind of do my little adjustments. I can come in and glue from the other side if I want. Doesn't have to be perfect. And if you wanted to decorate these further, you could certainly take a colored pencil gel pen and add some more details. I know there can be quite variance in the scutes on turtle shells. So you can add some decor, make your turtle look like it's got some lived experience, wear and tear on it. They have quite the adventures as they go about their turtley life. This turtle is modeled after the Hawksbill Sea Turtle, which is an endangered species and a global citizen. They kind of travel all over, nesting in some very special places like Hawaii. So it's a very important part of our planet. Let's make a piece for biology class around an Earth Day montage. There's a lot that you could do with this turtle, or just if you are into the turtle world. It's fun just to have. And there we go. We have our sea turtle. Happy crafting. I hope you enjoy your project. And last but not least, we need to add the eyes. So I'm just going to put a little dot here. Oops, got a little too much glue on there. And the other eye here. And there you have your lovely sea turtle.